This is why you don't need to be rich to own a place in Thailand. Finding an affordable home is easier than you think. Let's break it down together. First, decide where you want to live. Big cities like Bangkok and Chiang Mai are popular, but costs drop fast in smaller towns or rural areas. Do your research, join expat Facebook groups, browse sites like HipFlat, DD Property, or Thai Apartment. Next, understand your options. As a foreigner, you can buy condos, but not land directly, unless you have a Thai spouse or set up a company. Renting is simple and often cheaper, so don't rule out long-term leases on houses or apartments. Now set your budget. Don't forget hidden costs, deposits, utilities, maintenance, and agency fees. In many places, you can find studio apartments for as little as $200 a month, and whole houses outside the city for $400 or less. When you're ready to look, walk the neighborhoods. Many of the best deals aren't online. Look for rent signs and talk to locals. Negotiate politely. Many Thai landlords are open to lowering the price, especially for long-term tenants. Finally, always check the contract details before you sign. If possible, have a Thai-speaking friend or lawyer review it with you. And remember, once you find that perfect spot, you'll wonder why you didn't move sooner. So finding a low-cost home in Thailand? Totally doable, even on a budget. Happy house hunting. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.